guys, I feel young today, guys. I feel young. Feeling ko, guys, nasa 20s lang ako. Nasa 20s lang ako, guys. Because of my dress, guys. I feel young today. Ayan. Kahit na nasa 30s na tayo, guys. Ayan. Feeling young pa rin ako, guys. I'm on 30s, guys. Third class. But I feel young. Feeling ko, guys, nasa 20s lang ako because of my dress, guys. I really love it. Ayan, guys. Pack na pack yung aking dress for today. Ayan. Konting exercise na lang, guys. Ayan, ma-fit ko na yung aking mga small dresses, guys. Ayan, I have a lot of dresses, guys. Nung ako ay slim pa ako, nung ako pa ay payat pa, guys. Nung ako pa ay, ayan, bagets pa ako. Ayan, itong aking dress, guys, oh. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, guys, ito nabili ko siya for only 350 pesos. Diba, pack na pack siya, guys. Ayan, oh. I feel so beautiful today. Ayan, guys, oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ayan, guys, my fashion for today. Ayan, I really love fashion talaga, guys. Ayan, my fashion as modeling, as a fashion. I love dresses, guys. Yung ipa-fashion ko. Ayan, because, ayan. Ayan, before kasi guys, gustong-gusto ko talaga mag-model. Ayan, sumasali ako sa mga fashion, sa mga pageant, guys. So, this is me. Kaya naman, ayan, feel ko talaga maging bagets, guys. Ayan. feel ko talaga yung maging bagets, guys. And, I'm so happy of my dress, guys. Kasi, ayan, feeling bagets na naman ako, guys. One of my favorite color, ayan guys, yung blue. And I'm so happy today, guys, because dumating na yung aking dress na in order, guys. Ayan, the red color. Ayan. If i-fit ko siya to, guys, tomorrow I will fit this. Ayan, parang maganda lang siya sa picture, guys. Pag dumating, iba na, guys. So, if i-fit ko yan tomorrow, guys, tingnan natin kung maganda ba siya. Yay! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Ayan. Just, guys, I'm doing exercises lang. Ayan. Exercise lang tayo, guys. Ayan. Ayan, para yung aking tummy. Ayan, this one, guys. A tummy exercise. Tummy exercise lang to siya, guys. Para yung aking tummy. Yung aking belly, guys. And then yung aking legs, ayan yung aking butt exercise everyday, guys. I do exercise everyday. Ito yung pampalaki ng butt, guys. I squat everyday. Ayan, medyo sumakit yung aking tuhod, guys. So, I'm finished. That is all today, guys. I hope you enjoy my videos. Bye!